So this is our room in the Shangri-La in the Shard. I'm just going to do like a little tour and take you around. So when you come in, you have the massive bed, then we've got the TV over here, and then you can make like your coffees and everything. There's some storage under here, and then in here we've got some glasses, bottle opener. We've got some cute little alcohol and snacks and things. In here, some tea stuff, because that is needed. Oh, we've just got everything in there. Soft drinks, alcohols. Yeah. We've got wardrobe space over here and like a massive mirror. In here, we have a safe and like a shoehorn, a brush, and some storage. Over here, we have some more clothing storage just to hang everything. We've got the iron and the ironing board and some robes that the hotel give you, and then we've got slippers as well that they've provided us with very kindly. If you just come over here, we've got a little working area with a little desk, and then you have your views while you're like handling your business and like taking care of your Zoom meetings and stuff. So it's really cool. And yeah, the view is amazing. So that's the view from here. And then over here, you have like a little seating area. And then more of the amazing view. And yeah, that's it for this room really. Let's go to the bathroom now. So now we're going to go to the bathroom. If you just come in. Over here we have a stand-in shower with like the rainfall type of head thingy, which is really cool. And then over there we have the loo. Nothing fancy, nothing too crazy. Actually it is fancy. You've got like all different settings down here. And then over here we have a mirror, but we've got a TV in the mirror, which I think is just amazing. And then all storage down here. And yeah, everything's like provided for you in here. You've got like toothbrushes, what else? Toothpaste, comb, what is it? Razor and cream, all kinds of things in there. And then my favorite bit over here is like your bathtub with the sickest view ever. And yeah, you've got like an amazing bathtub here, and then you've got your amazing view, and then you can see the room over there. You can see the desk over on that side, so it goes back to the room. And yeah, so that's all for the room. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.